Hi everyone, Hannah Davis, your Scentsy consultant here, and I just got a new Scentsy order in, so I want to show you guys what I got. First of all, I know a lot of you guys saw a sneak peek if you follow me on my Instagram or Facebook, but look what I just got. Sven from Frozen 2 Scentsy Buddy. He's so cute. Plus, makes perfect Christmas gifts, and you still have time to order. Scentsy has guaranteed by December 15th, but that does not, it doesn't really take into account if there's like a snowstorm or if there's a truck breaks down or whatever, something happens. So I kind of just want to say like the 10th, get your orders in by December 10th, just to be sure, but if it's a few days late, there's still probably a little bit of breathing room. I just like to give that 5 days for the breathing room. But yeah, so let's carry on. Scentsy Buddies. These are great for kids. I used to have one when I was little, and it was amazing. Plus, you get these little scent packs that I remember my mom used to let me and my siblings pick out our own scent, and it was so much fun. It was awesome. This one is Fearless by Nature. This one is actually specifically just for Sven. I mean, you can put him in any Scentsy Buddy, but if you buy the Sven Scentsy Buddy, you also get this with it. So it's not an additional charge. It comes with it. And I have never smelled this, so because I just got it yesterday. So I'm gonna open it up in my Scentsy Buddy here. Smell it for you. Ooh, it's like clean. Oh, I like this. I really like this. It's like not really pepperminty, but you know how peppermint has like that clean smell? It's like that. It's really calming, like eucalyptus. Yeah, I love this scent. So again, this is the Sven Scentsy Buddy, and the scent pack that comes along with it, called Fearless by Nature. And all this stuff is available on my website, so you guys can go and check that out. I'm just gonna set him to the side for now. So we have a lot to go through. Another one is this new warmer that I got. It's so cute. It's a wall plug-in warmer, and it's called Why Are You Blushing? This is what it looks like. I don't have the base or the bulb in it yet, but it would go right here. This is what the box looks like with the title. Why Are You Blushing? Like W-I-R-E. Why are you blushing? Because there's these cute wires around it, and it's like a rose gold theme. And it's just got a little dish that heats up, plugs right into the wall. Super cute. I wanted this ever since I became a Scentsy consultant, and I finally got one, and I'm excited. But yeah, this one is definitely going up ASAP. I love it. This is it's modern, it's cute, it's small, and when you light it up, it'll just light up. So it'll get a little light into the room, and I'll just be cute and happy. I also got a full-size warmer that I just really love because, sorry, I don't want to take the full extension, or not extension cord, but the full length of the cord out of the box. So this is just the top that comes with it, and this is called Angel's Wings. It is so cute, but what I love the most about this that I didn't see when I bought online is that there's hearts. So when somebody warms this up, puts a Scentsy in here and like turns it on, there's gonna be hearts all along the back wall or room or wherever it is. I love this because we all know someone who has lost someone close to them, or we've lost someone close to us. It's hard. But I think this is just a great way to like remember them, like with the angel wings, and just because then it reminds you of them, and it makes your house smell amazing. It gets little pretty hearts all over your walls. So yeah, I love this one. Can't wait to put it off. So yeah, let's see. Oh, these are what I always add things to my list. Car bars. This is what a car bar looks like. I don't know if you guys know. Sometimes people don't know. This one is Mystery Man, And this, you can't see it because the string is like back underneath it here. But it's like a little elasticy string. Mine hangs around my mirror. And then it makes your car smell good. So whenever I put through an order, I always get some of these. So then it's always extra little, like I do a gift, a Christmas gift, a birthday gift, graduation, weddings, all this stuff. People love Scentsy, so they make amazing gifts. And then, oh, let's go. Sorry. I also got the clean bundle. There's a bundle tab on my page, on my website, that will save you money. So shop in bundles, please. And this is the hand soap. So I'm going to show you first what I got in the bundle. So I got the hand soap, the bathroom cleaner. Oh gosh, it's a weird light. That comes with a spray on it, spray bottle. And then this is the counter cleaner. And okay, when I was looking at these to buy these, I was like, oh, it's not gonna be that big of a bottle. Like, yeah, I can read that it says 16 ounces in the description, but I don't know. Ounces are just kind of hard because it's like all different. But this is a huge bottle. Like, this is my hand, and this is the bottle. It's like as big as my face. And I think these alone are only $10 for dish soap. Like, it's amazing. And then all your dishes are gonna smell amazing. Your hands are gonna smell amazing. The house is gonna smell amazing just because you're washing your dishes with Scentsy. So yeah, and then we all have messes, so I might as well smell like Scentsy when we clean them up. The counter cleaner, the bathroom cleaner, I can't wait to try these out. I think with the dish soap, I know a way how to get some samples out of this. So if you want samples, it's the dish soap. These, I got them all in the aloe, water, and cucumber because I'm obsessed with that smell. That is my favorite scent right now. So let's see what else I got in here. I got some pods, Scentsy pods. I don't have my Scentsy Go with me because it's out at a basket party right now. But I'll do another video kind of showing that, explaining that. Aloe, water, cucumber, and Luna. These are amazing. Good for your car too, even if you don't have the Scentsy Go or don't want to buy the Scentsy Go. Yeah. And I got lots of room sprays. We all love room sprays. I don't know, if you guys are not familiar with the room sprays, get familiar with the room sprays. Like, they're just a little container like this, and you just spray. Oh, it's a new one, so it might take a while. Ooh. Okay, that was really close to my face. But it typically just takes like a few squirts in a room, and your room will smell amazing. I know one thing. I got iced pine as well. This one smells like Christmas trees. Even though we have a real Christmas tree in my house, me and my mom like to spray the Christmas tree with this, especially like when it's older, not when it's like dead, because like then you take it out, but when it gets older and it loses that like fresh tree smell, spray this in there, and your house is gonna smell like a Christmas tree again. It's gonna be amazing. So that's that. I also got the moisture medley. That's another bundle found on my website. So I got the cozy cardigan body cream. Again, this is tall. This is big. I didn't expect it to be this big. Sorry, my dog decides to play with her squeaky toys right now. So you hear that? That's what you get. Yeah, this is like the size of a Bath and Body Works one. Seriously. Amazing. And then you get to smell like your favorite Scentsy smells. This one is the body wash. Again, I got them all in cozy cardigan because I love cozy cardigan. And again, this is about the same size as the Bath and Body Works, and this is the little hand soap. So everything is just shining today. But yeah, I can't wait. You guys will see more pictures of these. So be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at hannahdavis.scentsy. So yeah, these three. Oh wait, no, not those three. Where is it? And I almost forgot. I got this little hand cream. This one is good for like if you're traveling, because it's only 2.7 fluid ounces, so you can take it on planes, all that stuff. This is what the moisture medley pack is. Can't really see my body wash in the back, but it's there. I believe this is only $30, which is a really good deal. It's amazing. Perfect Christmas gifts. Put this in a cute little basket. So cute. And people are gonna love it. Everyone loves to smell good. Everyone loves to know that their house smells good, that their kids smell good, that their counters, their bathroom, everywhere smells good. Their cars smell good. So that's why I love giving Scentsy away. It's amazing. Let's see. Oh, this little guy is a buddy clip. I know I've done videos with my other buddy clip, but this one is a new one. At least a new one for me. This one is Clover the cow, not clown. Clover the cow, and it has the black raspberry vanilla scent in it. So cute. Little guys can just clip this to their backpacks, purses, toy bags. If you're traveling, you can go on their bag and then it won't stink. And yeah, and these just have the Scentsy like in their back here. And then they smell amazing. So, and they come in this cute little container. So I love these, especially for gifts for little ones, or to add to another gift if someone loves cows. There's also sloths, turtles, and then there's also some Disney character ones. So check those out because they're amazing and make perfect gifts, and they're not that expensive either. I believe these ones are only $15, and then the like Disney ones or Marvel ones are about $18. So it's still a really good deal. And then this last one is it's called Laundry Love, the bundle. That's the name of the bundle. That can also be found on my website. And what you get, well, it's a big box. You get 2 dryer discs, and you can pick. I know there's some scents that are out of stock right now, but they'll get working on that to get that back up. But these dryer discs are so cool. They come 2 in a pack, and you just open them up. The heck, why aren't you coming out? Or are they like, oh, well, I figured out why they're not coming out. So they're just 2 in a pack, and then they smell like Scentsy. They look like Scentsy. You put them in the dryer, make your clothes smell like Scentsy. And then this, I have not tried the laundry liquid or the laundry soft yet. I have done the washer whiffs, and oh my gosh, my clothes smell amazing. But this is the laundry liquid. Again, I still have it in the package because I just unboxed this. But it's big. It's like, they're like big guys here, with the soap and then the laundry stuff. But yeah, it's amazing. This is a huge thing. And I got this in Luna. I got my laundry disc in Luna and in Lavender Cotton. So I figured I could try both of them. And yeah, so these are just amazing. This is your like detergent that you squirt in like the little top tray area when you do laundry. And then this is a big tub of washer whiffs. These also come in a smaller size. So I think if you have a scent that you know you love, like Luna is a favorite. My favorite is the aloe water and cucumber. That's why I got it in my cleaning stuff, but they were out for the laundry stuff right now. But if you know that you love a scent, get the tub because it's gonna save you a lot of money, especially if you buy in the bundle here. So yeah, that's this big tub here. Again, I got it in Luna. These you just throw right in with your clothes, a scoop of it, and it's gonna smell so amazing. There's a huge difference. Right now, I am using clothesline washer whiffs. That's just like a clean laundry smell that Scentsy has, and I can smell a difference. When I'm folding my clothes, I can smell a difference between the loads that I put it in there and the loads that I had the loads that I washed before I had the Scentsy washer whiffs. So yeah, this is all that I have for now. I also have just some Scentsy bars and then some scent circles. But yeah, go and check those out right now. The last day to order is the 15th if you want to feel risky, but I would kind of suggest within the next couple days get your orders in to ensure that you have them by Christmas, because Scentsy really does make amazing Christmas gifts. So go check that out. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like and share and comment and do all that stuff. And yeah, check me out. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Let me know if you want to host a Scentsy party. All of this stuff, okay, not all of it. The washer with laundry set, so all of my laundry stuff, I got half off. My cleaning stuff, half off. All of my room sprays were free. This was free. My Go Pods were free. My Moisture Medley set was free. Just because I had a party. Hosting a Scentsy party will save you a lot of money. Like, it's an amazing deal. So please go check that out. Let me know what you guys think of all your Scentsy products. And of course, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks!